Hey scientists, I'm going to show you how to do the work for Friday 10:30. So you're going to start by doing the must do, which is a short 3-minute Edpuzzle reading about elements on Earth. So you're going to press play, make sure you make the Edpuzzle full screen, and answer those questions. The must do assignment is pretty short today because the should do and aspire to do are a little bit longer. So you're going to take that object from the warm up first, find an object in your home that has the list of ingredients, and you want to search the list of ingredients for words that look like the names of elements. If you need help figuring out what words look like elements, guess what? You're watching the video directions already. What I would suggest is looking through these slides. So here's an example of dish soap that might be at your house. It probably has a list of ingredients on it somewhere like this. So you're going to look and you're going to focus in. What are some words here that look like elements? So if I go down the list, I see the first 4 words: water, sodium, lauryl, sulfate. Okay, so here's what I would do. I'm going to go back to this list of elements. This is a long list. I don't want to search it. So I'm going to press Control F, and then I can search the page for some of those words. The words I saw here, I'm going to search for one at a time. Water. Okay, water isn't on the list. Otherwise, it would have told me that it's here. Again, to get here to this search bar, I just press Control F. I could also look for sodium. Whoa, okay, look, on my list of elements, sodium is here. So sodium is in my dish soap. What about lauryl? Nope, laurel didn't show up. What about sulfate? Okay, so there's sulfur here, and that sounds like sulfate. So I'm guessing that sulfate and sodium are in my soap. If I were ready to post, I would now use this sentence starter from direction 3. I'm going to copy and paste it. I would scroll all the way down to the discussion, paste the sentence starter in. The object I found is soap. This is my example. I found the word sulfate, which looks like the element sulfur. I could also add, I also found sodium in my soap. And then I would post my reply and look for someone else's response to comment back on. Let's see a few more examples, just in case you want more examples of what this could look like. Within this same label, there was also oxide, which looks like oxygen. Here's Alka-Seltzer. The word potassium is an element, sodium and magnesium. On hot chips, I found carbonate and monosodium again, and magnesium. So again, if you want to test a word and see if it's on the list of elements, you need to click Control F and you can type in the word that you're looking for. If I were looking for carbonate, I type in, starting to type the word, notice carbon looks like carbonate, so that would be a match. I could also search for magnesium. It's right here. Press Control F to search the list as quickly as possible. If you need help for this activity, make sure you request help from the teacher. The aspire to do is to comment back on other students' work if you found the same element in your object.